This is a very dramatic, cute fall look, you know, with the fall colors or whatever. You know, you just gotta do it to them in the fall. Do it like this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or whatever. These hoops are huge, and yeah, I have a little fall look. I haven't been in the spooky season mood. I haven't, but y'all are getting fall looks, so be happy. But if you guys want to know how to do this little look right here, I just watch, because I've made a video for you guys to watch it. So let's go ahead and hop into this video. Let's go ahead and get started with this look. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my eye using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And what color am I using? I'm using medium beige. Yeah, I'm just going to pipe this little Wet n Wild brush and pat it onto my lid. I'm trying to get in the loop of doing more makeup tutorials, and I actually tried filming with the white wall over here on my side of the dorm, but look, I'm bright. I don't look good on a white background. I don't. So eventually I'm gonna order me like a backdrop stand and all that, so we can have all that going, and we're just gonna look good. Okay guys, there's hope. There's hope. Once you have that down, you're gonna go ahead and hop in and pat on a yellow. I'm using my Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. This is no longer in stock, but you are free to use the Take Me Back to Brazil palettes if I could find me a brush. And I'm gonna be using like these two yellows right here just to give me a nice yellow base to go on around my brow bone area, kind of, yeah, because it's gonna brighten up the other colors I'm gonna use, which are an orange and a brown shade. You want to pat on your pigment first so you can get the most out of the color that you're using. You don't want to just go in with a brush and just like dust it on, because that won't give you as much of a rich look. Unless you want to go for a toned down look, that's perfectly fine. But over here we like pigment, okay? So we're gonna do the most we can to get some color. Like, I need to find me an even more pigmented yellow. Like, this is pretty good, yeah, but it can be so much better. It really can be. Oh my god, I got so much glitter on my face. Guys, I cleaned all of my makeup today. I'm so proud of myself. I really did that. Like, when I say clean makeup, like, my singles are all in the box, and I had like some foundations in there, and like sometimes some of the singles will get loose. It'll be glitter and just like loose pigments everywhere, all over everything. And like the foundations that were cheap, their screw tops would come off and like pour over everything. It was a mess, okay? And it really discouraged me from even filming, because I didn't want to get my hand super dirty just from touching it. So I spent like 2 hours today and cleaned everything off. And it's like, the makeup's good, but there's still stuff that comes loose. In the box itself, I put like a little towel in there so the box won't get super dirty again. But the box itself didn't get super clean because I don't have a deep sink up here to wash my stuff in. So I just had to deal with it. But I got to clean up all my makeup, and I'm so happy. It just made me even more excited to film. Like, this is my second video I'm filming today. The first one was not a makeup video, but this one is. I'm back feeling myself in my seat. I'm in my seat and I feel good. All right. Yes. Now we have that nice background to work off of. Now I'm going into my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro palette, Ultimate Neutrals, and this palette is awesome. Like, when I say the pigments are amazing, like I gave this palette also to my best friend because she's getting into doing her makeup a little bit, and she said the pigments were strong. So I'm gonna hop in with the shade right here. I think this came with names, or no, it didn't come with names. I think it came with just like what each one was. Oh, these are creamy mattes, they say. It says new. Oh, those are metallics there at the bottom. So there are metallics and shimmers. I didn't know that. That's cool. Yeah, creamy mattes are perfect for depth and blending. And yes, yes they are, honey. Yes they are. Where's the lie? There's no lie. So I'm just patting that like kind of on top of the yellow, kind of lower than where I put the yellow. And I'm taking it all the way out. On this eye you can see I did my little swoop thing majigger like with the glitter. This is my first time doing that kind of look though, to be honest with you. And I like it. I'm gonna have to do some more of it. Like, I'm late on that trend, but it's nice. And also the Wet n Wild brushes, the blending brushes are way better than e.l.f. blending brushes. So you can get them from the Dollar Tree and they're awesome. I've seen them in the Dollar Tree and at Walgreens. I'm just using this Morphe MB27 and softening up my edges so it can really blend in with that yellow and make a little bit of a sunset. Not too much, but a little bit, you know, just tad bit so the yellow can pop out. And I'm keep on building up with this tan shade until I feel like it's strong enough to stand on its own behind this brown shade that I'm going with. Oh, you guys are probably wondering, where's the Halloween videos and stuff? This year I just haven't been in the Halloween spooky spirit, really. Like, I don't know, I just haven't had the urge to do some special effects. Ooh, spit everywhere. I just haven't been in that type of mood to do special effects looks and all these cool looks, because I don't know, there's just other things that I'm focusing on right now. So next year hopefully I will be in the spirit, but yeah, I just didn't feel like making spooky looks this year, guys. Sorry, I suck. Now I'm gonna take this reddish brown shade down here, and it's right by the top right corner. Just pat that on there really nice, and then I'm gonna go in with another blending brush because that's the brush that actually has this shade on there. I just didn't want to pick that up first to blend with the other stuff because it would have got too dark too soon. And this one you don't really have to move up too far on your lid with, because you know we are gonna be cutting most of our lid and placing on glitter, so really focus more so on like your outer V area with this color, because that's where the definition is going to be for sure. Now I'm just going to blend that out with this brush right here. It's a Wet n Wild brush. Oh, she blends, honey. She blends. You see that? Where'd it go? Oh wow, that's fallout though. That's my bad. Now I'm gonna take my concealer that's on the back of my head and down here. Ugh, I got this stuff everywhere. I'm messy. And I'm cutting my lid. And what I'm doing is I'm using my eye socket for reference. So I'm like kind of like patting, but like guiding my brush with it. with my eye socket. It's like, nah, I just didn't wake up knowing how to perfectly cut a crease. But it can happen. It can happen. But what I did with this also is I made it a little bit higher and more dramatic since we have all this glitter going on. Why not be dramatic? So I went a little bit higher by turning my brush a little bit sideways, but still following the eye socket. So now I'm going into my Full Eyes 28 color eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the yellows down here, these two, and I'm covering my lid with that. If I can find my brush. Alright, cool. Now I'm gonna go in with my glitter primer, and that is by NYX. Yeah, this one had like some glue on it from like the actual security label, so yeah, I couldn't get all that off. Now I'm going to use a yellow and an orange glitter, loose glitters. They don't have the top on them, so I can't just tilt them like that, but that's what I'm doing. So I'm just going to take some more concealer and I'm going to cut the bottom. Where is my brushy? Alright, this one's cool. Now I'm going back in with that blending brush. Just kind of dusting over it. Alright, now I'm going to take some eyeliner and my lashes, put them onto my face, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Oh, what bit? These earrings a little big. Like mine, the ones that I usually wear are in the car, and the car isn't indented. The car is at home. So we got these. That please just look for today though, but who needs hoops this big? Like, they can't even chill. Like, I gotta, the whole time, I don't want to do that. They make me feel like I got a bad attitude. But my lips, freak. I used Love Bug from ColourPop with Mama from ColourPop. They're both ultra matte lips. I actually want to like get into using lip stains and stuff, but that's gonna have to come after some stuff pops off, because I'm working on my clothing line right now, guys, and I'll let you guys know when it's dropping. But hopefully I drop it before December. We're just gonna have to see. I'm excited about that because I've always wanted to have like my own thing that's mine, like my own clothes and all that. But yeah, I'm gonna drop that soon, and hopefully you guys like check it out. You think it's cool, because I'm a graphic designer, so I just thought it would be cool to put my designs for something on some clothes and like sell it. So yeah, but like that highlight though, what's up? But that completes this video for today. Oh my god, I hope I'm doing my best. Alright, that completes this video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave me a like and a comment. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already subscribed, and press that bell notification so you know when I'm uploading. And go ahead and share this with your friends, family members, neighbors, uncles, and cousins. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Toodaloo.